This is really shitting me, this fucking thing. It's just not cooperating with this tensioner. Fucking hell. That's almost too tight. It is too tight. Fuck. Oh, this is a pain in the ass. You're fucking not even getting. Fucking hell, mate. Too loose. Too tight. Too loose. Too tight. Too loose. Too tight. It should be right. Should be, but probably isn't. Damn it. Shit, look at it. Fucking do your fucking head in, I tell you what. Fucking bullshit, right? Too tight. Fucking hell, mate. This is crap. This is. It worked for a good while. Done a few carvings, but now it's crap. Yeah, I just cannot get this thing to bloody tension right. It's driving me nuts. It's really too tight. Yep, too tight. Won't run. Fuck. Now we'll loosen it off a bit. It'll be a bit too loose. Like, look, fucking absolute bullshit. I'm sick of it. I'm fucking sick of it. It's fucking shitting me up the wall sideways. Fucking useless piece of shit. Fucking so upsetting. Fucking. God damn it. Like. Look at that, just done it up tight. It just tightened it up. Like, what the fuck? Piece of shit. Fucking what is wrong with this fucking thing? Sort of. It's just too much. Fucking shouldn't be like that. Come on. Huh. Look, it's just out of control. I don't know if you're having any problems with your Stihl, or you know what I'm doing wrong. Leave a comment. It's doing my face in. I have to take it. I don't take it apart. Let's have a look. I mean, there's not much you can go wrong with it, is there? I mean, there can't be much to it. I have to go find out, try and find out what the hell.